Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Conan Gray here with the final fight. Very dramatical here, the final fight. Let's take a look at this one. We're going clean here on the fretboard, no need for any cape at least, but we're gonna use some fingers there. So let's go over the 4, 5, 6 chords actually here for the song. So starting here with the E minor. Alright, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the B minor next, the bar chord. So you play a bar finger here on the second frets from the E string up to the A. So that will be 5 strings there. And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. All right, we have G next. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have C as well. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, open E. And then we have the final chord, actually only 5 chords for this song. So that is the D, open D, second G, third B, and second E. So E minor, B minor, G, C, and D. That's the chord. So we have a string pattern here we need to learn, and it's in 2 different parts. We're gonna look at that. So let's take a look at the part 1. We're gonna use the E minor since that is the first chord. So one full round will be down, down, up, up, then down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Sounds difficult, but it's very easy actually. So the first part is really what makes up this string pattern. It's down, down, up, up. All right, so. Down, down, up, up. That's part 1. And then part 2, you're gonna do another of this down, down, up, up, and then down, down, up. So part 2 is again, then down, down, up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, up, part 1, and then down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Like this. And a couple rounds of it will be all right. So we're ready for this song here, and the verse will be E minor, 1 full round, then B minor, part 1, the down, down, up, and then G, the part 2, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. That's the first row, all right? So we're gonna play together. It goes. Then the second row will be E minor, 1 full round, B minor, part 1, and then C, part 2. So that's the difference there. Instead of G, you go C, part 2. So. You're gonna play this for 2 full rounds. So again, E minor, 1 full round, B minor part 1, and G part 2, and then again the final E minor, 1 full round, B minor part 1, and C part 2. So 2 times of that, it will be 1 verse. So from the verse over to the chorus, and that's the final part, so to speak. It will be just an outro, which will be another chorus play, and this is what we're gonna learn now. So we're gonna play the same strumming. You're gonna use now the D chord, and you play that for 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2. And then you go to B minor and play part 1 and C part 2. And you do that for 4 rounds. So D 1 full, B minor part 1, C part 2. A couple rounds sounds like this. and back to verse. And that is actually the different parts you need for this song. Like I mentioned, you're gonna play the same here in the verses and also in the choruses. And the outro parts will be to just continue with the chorus play and do that for another extra chorus, chorus round. That means 4 rounds of this chord progression. So that's it, guys. Conan Gray, the final fight. Give it a try and play tuned.